Imagine for a moment that you're standing on a planet far, far away. Not the Earth we know, not the moon we see every night, but a world so distant that the sun is just a tiny flickering speck in the vast darkness of the cosmos. This world doesn't stand tall and upright like ours. It's tilted so far it's almost lying on its side, like a sleeping giant drifting through space. It orbits the sun in a strange, unique way, unlike any other planet in our solar system. And yet, despite that extreme tilt, it keeps on spinning. Slowly, steadily, as if nothing is wrong. It's a world that tells a story of difference, of solitude, and of the hidden beauty found within imperfection. Can you feel the biting cold, the boundless silence? Look up at the deep indigo sky, adorned with millions of stars. You are part of this mystery now, a witness to the strange, lonely dance of this distant world. This is the story of Uranus, the planet that tilted but never stopped spinning, the one that truly stands alone in our universe. Uranus, often called the sideways planet, is the seventh world from our sun. It's what we call an ice giant, a massive world made of water, methane and ammonia ices surrounding a small rocky core. From a distance, Uranus looks like a soft blue-green marble. That unique color comes from the methane gas in its atmosphere, which absorbs red light from the sun and reflects back a gentle pale blue, like a jewel floating in the dark. It's so far from the sun that the concept of warmth is almost non-existent. This immense distance makes Uranus one of the coldest places in our solar system, with temperatures dropping to a staggering -224 degrees Celsius. It's a cold so intense it could freeze almost anything in an instant. A single journey around the sun takes Uranus 84 Earth years. Just think about that. 1 year on Uranus is an entire human lifetime on Earth. Throughout that long, slow journey, it reveals the secrets hidden beneath its soft blue clouds. What makes Uranus truly fascinating is its tilt. Its axis is tilted at nearly 98 degrees. While Earth spins like a top, Uranus spins like a ball rolling on its side. Scientists believe this strange tilt might have been caused by a massive collision with an Earth-sized object long ago. That crash didn't destroy the planet. Instead, it gave Uranus its identity, a planet that dances to its own rhythm, unlike anything else in the solar system. This extreme tilt creates seasons that are both strange and incredibly long. While our seasons change every few months, a single season on Uranus lasts over 20 years. In some parts of the planet, the sun shines continuously for decades. It's as if the day never ends, with that pale blue light washing over the frozen landscape, revealing its cold, quiet beauty. In other parts, the world is plunged into total darkness for decades at a time. The sun never rises. There is only the faint glimmer of distant stars and a cold that reaches deep into the planet's core. This is a world where the extreme is normal, where imbalance is part of the balance. It teaches us to see the value in being different. If you could visit Uranus, you'd experience something unlike anywhere else in the universe. The sky above would be a deep, soulful indigo, dotted with thin, wispy clouds of methane. The sun would look tiny and far away, a dim light that offers no warmth. You'd feel a silence so profound, it's almost heavy. A silence where you can hear your own heartbeat and your thoughts echo in the vast emptiness. But where would you stand? There is no solid ground here. You would simply float within a massive atmosphere that slowly transitions from gas to liquid and eventually into ice compressed under unimaginable pressure. The silence would be the most striking thing of all. No wind, no waves, no sound of life. Just the infinite quiet of space. It might make you feel small, perhaps even lonely. But at the same time, it reminds you of how vast the universe is and how special it is that you exist within it. In that stillness, you might catch a glimpse of the thin, dark rings surrounding the planet. crowns of ice and dust reflecting the faint sunlight. And looking out further, you'd see its 27 moons, each with its own story, orbiting in that same tilted plane, like a family dancing together in their own unique way. Despite its beauty, Uranus is a harsh and unforgiving world. The winds here are incredibly violent, reaching speeds of up to 900 kilometers per hour. These storms tear through the atmosphere in a wild, chaotic dance of nature. And deep inside, the pressure is so intense that methane might be squeezed into actual diamonds, falling toward the core like a never-ending rain of precious stones. Even its magnetic field is strange. It doesn't come from the center of the planet like Earth's. It's tilted and offset, originating from a shallower layer of liquid. It remains one of the great mysteries that scientists are still trying to solve. Uranus is a world of extremes, frozen beauty, and unreachable harshness. It's a reminder that our universe is full of diversity and mysteries waiting to be found. The story of Uranus isn't just about a distant planet. It reflects parts of our own lives. Uranus doesn't stand straight. It's tilted, it's different, it's unique, and yet it survives. It keeps orbiting the sun. It stays true to itself. Sometimes we feel like Uranus. We might feel like we don't fit in, that we're tilted or different from everyone else. But the important thing is that we keep spinning. We keep living our lives, being exactly who we are, no matter how the world sees us. Uranus teaches us that being different isn't a weakness. It's what makes us stand out. There is beauty in imperfection and strength in accepting who you are. It's a reminder that even in the darkest, coldest moments, there is still beauty to be found. Even if our path isn't as straight as we expected, we still have the power to keep moving forward and create a story that is uniquely ours. Sometimes life doesn't go the way it's supposed to. We face obstacles, disappointments, or the feeling that we just don't belong. We might be tilted, like Uranus, drifting away from the path society expects or the dreams others have for us. We might be different from the majority, with thoughts, dreams, or a way of life that is entirely our own. But in that tilt, in that difference, we keep spinning. We keep searching for meaning, we keep growing, and we keep being ourselves in the most beautiful way possible. Because in this vast universe, diversity is beauty, and being unique is the power that makes us special.